Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the GnG Sniper SuperTrend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the GnG Sniper SuperTrend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 44 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 503 indicators, with 207 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the GnG Sniper SuperTrend indicator. Quite the mouthful, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. The setup on this is relatively easy. So we have these buy signals here that are marked by these little triangles here, these little diamonds, and the words that say buy, SPEC, buy. And this indicator only gives buy signals in this particular case. Now this indicator might be something that we circle back on and test another way, which wouldn't be with these specific buy signals here. But on this test here, we are looking for just those diamond buy signals there. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal, of course, because it only gives long signals. And you can see it here right on this one here. We get a push to the upside, and it got us really close to take profit. I mean, we just barely missed it. But then we had this pullback here, the small correction in the market. And as that pullback took place, it did come down and hit the stop, stopping us out on that first one. Then the second one here, also a long, and you can see that price action pushes up pretty nicely there, and that one gets us to take profit pretty easily. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, and next signal we pick up right here. You can see that price action again pushes up really nicely right there, coming up, hitting take profit pretty easily once again. Let's go ahead and continue on. And then once again, we pick up another signal right here. We get a pullback in the market here, which got really close to hitting our stop, but it was able to avoid it by about 20 something pips before we get this nice push to the upside again one more time there, getting us to take profit. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the PDF and the Excel sheet of all those indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you will get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos and those individual strategies. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has been nice enough to create a small handful of profitable, optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's get everything in focus here. Pretty easy to count these out. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3 winners. So obviously that is going to meet the 60% criteria. It's a shame that this indicator didn't give more signals. I definitely wish it had the ability to do buy signals or sell signals as well as the buy signals. And so I feel like that is definitely a big miss on the part of this indicator. But considering how the indicator was listed as a sniper indicator, I'm going to assume that this was meant to be used on a lower time frame as well. Not really sure how accurate it would be on the lower time frame. Obviously, we didn't test it on the lower time frame, but for now, we are going to put it on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.